new cars from Toyota, Honda and Mazda are as yet great. However, one new model that doesnâ Euro TMT appear to get much credit is the Hyundai Sonata. The 2018 model made various refinements that make it a commendable auto regardless of whether it may be in the shadows of those already specified autos. This reality has been waiting in my psyche as far back as it won a correlation with the more current Camry prior this year. The Hyundai is frequently the underdog in this portion, however I think the Sonata merits more credit. Here are 5 reasons Hyundai Euro TMS still justified regardless of your opportunity and cash. 1. Great looking styling. A couple of ages back, the Sonata set the standard for standard vehicles, with a roadster-like profile and a flawless streaming outline. However, that changed instantly after, as the Sonata went more standard with its style. For the 2018 model year, the brand brought the attractive back, and I think the Sonata looks great without being as stunning as the Toyota Camry, with its ceaseless grille, or the Honda Accord, with its unibrow chrome strip. 2. Keen packaging. There are 7 trim levels of the Sonata, excluding hybrid models, which means there are a lot of choices for various spending plans. Tragically, just 2 trim levels have the 2.0T motor, however neither of them has extra bundles to add on. There is just a single 2.0T trim in Canada, yet Hyundai Euro TMS completely stacked. This makes picking a model somewhat simpler to manage, as once-in-a-while bundles can convolute the entire buy. Game 2.0T models doesâ Euro TMT get the same number of extravagances as the limited 2.0T models, however it includes warmed seats, a power sunroof, lively calfskin reinforced seats and a cowhide demolded guiding wheel. The limited 2.0T gets vented seats, raised window shades, a greater infotainment screen and more well-being and driver help highlights like stopping sensors. All autos accompany Android Auto and Apple CarPlay bolster. 3. Common sense. Immediately, the Sonata feels like a more down-to-earth vehicle, a Euro with 16.3 cubic feet, 462 liters, of capacity. Hyundai Euro TMS just beneath the Accord Euro TMS 16.7 cubic feet, 473 liters, however more than the Mazda 6, Toyota Camry, and Subaru Legacy. It likewise has more traveler volume than the Accord and every one of these autos, making it an extremely lovely place for travelers and drivers alike. 4. Adjusted powertrain. I likewise canâ Euro TMT get enough of the motor and transmission blend. Initially, I was befuddled in light of the fact that past Sonata turbo models made more than 270 drive, while this year a Euro TMS show makes 245 horsepower and 260 pounds-to-foot of torque. It appears like a recognizable drop, yet the automaker organized smoothness and an expansive torque bend, which means the auto feels intense and responsive all through a greater amount of the rev run. This is likewise combined with an 8-speed program transmission that never thought twice while switching gears. 5. Appealing pricing. The Sonata begins at $22,935 including gold, $26,604 in Canada, which is less expensive than section-level Camry, Accord, and Legacy models. The 2.0T model begins at $28,485 including gold, $38,804 in Canada, which is a fabulous arrangement, making it more reasonable than the Accord 2.0T, Mazda 6 2.5T and even 6-barrel renditions of the Camry and Legacy in the US. Hyundai Euro TMS difficult to contend with the esteem offered by the Hyundai, and the auto additionally accompanies a 5-year or 60,000-mile constrained guarantee, and 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain restricted guarantee. It likewise has 5 long stretches of complimentary roadside help, which all indicates make the Sonata a hard buy to contend with.